Good time tonight?
Thank you for asking, Crystal. This is like
I hate it.
the best night ever.
I hate it more than I can put into words. Let me tell you something. When you first sip a drink, it's full. The only time you get this sound is when there's barely any liquid and the straw can't quite catch it and it goes. That's the only time that happens. When there's liquid, it's not gonna make this sound. Why would a banana daiquiri make that sound effect? God love him.
Thank you.
Stop.
I mean,
This is just shows this happens all the time. This isn't anything negative. Look at the top of the glass right here. Look at how much he's drank right above his finger. Look at the pineapple. And then, as he takes the straw still out of his mouth, and he sets it down, that sumbitch is filled back to the top above the pineapple, brother.